Hello and welcome back to Building Vault University. Hopefully by now you've been able to create a user profile and possibly search around and look for some project documents. Today I want to show you how to create a new user. This is an administrative function, so specifically talking to site administrators. So with that, let's get started. So sign in with your username and your password. And once you're signed in, you're going to see this bar to the left. Here, you're going to click on the System Administration tab, and you're going to see these different functionalities that you can do under that tab. Today, we're just going to focus on user management because we're going to create a new user. So let's click on User Management, and you're going to get a listing of your current users. What we want to do today, though, is just create a new user, make it very simple. It's a simple process. You go to this button, hit New User. It opens this form. Here you're just going to fill in the information of the new user that you're giving access to. So we're going to use Bob Smith as our username. We will put a generic email here, bob@aol.com. And again, his name is Bob Smith. And what we do is we typically just use new user for the password, because remember, when he gets into his profile, he can change that. So I'm going to say new user. Verify his password, confirm it. We're going to make Bob a client user since he'll be an in-house person, and we'll make him a plumber. So he will be a plumber tech or a plumbing tech. So we're going to say new user. Okay, once that goes out, Bob's going to get an email that looks like this. The email will contain his username and his password and the additional information that we plugged into that form field. It'll also include 2 links to get him started in the software. So with that, Bob has now become a new user in Building Vault, and you can see that Bob Smith has showed up on our user list as a client user.